Hello students, welcome to BioBoost CBSE. As I have cleared CSIR-NET JRF in 2021, many students ask me how do we prepare biology not only for CBSE exams but also for competitive exams like NEET and CSIR-NET. In this video, I will explain how biology syllabus from school level to CSIR-NET, the right books you need to follow, and a clear preparation strategy for each level. So this video will be basically useful for class 9th, 11th, NEET aspirants, MSc students and NET Life Science students. So before jumping to the exam, first we need a study plan for systematic preparation. So what I am going to tell you in this video is a 6 months suggested timeline for CSIR-NET Life Sciences preparation. Here you need to first see how section wise numbering is done. So a total of 145 questions are asked in exam paper. Part A will comprise of 20 questions, Part B of 50 and Part C of 75. Part A, we need to attempt only 15 questions up most. They carry 2 marks each, so each will be 0.5. So total will be 0.5 into 2, that will give 15 into 2 will give 30 marks in total. Each question of 0.5 in part B also, so giving 2 marks each, attempting 35 questions will give you 70, and 4 marks each of one question means 2 questions here will give you marks. So here only one question is of 4 marks, so attempting 25 will give you a total of 100. Subtotal of it gives 200. So our cutoff should be near 200 to get a score in this exam. Now the key points to remember is that part A is of general aptitude, means it comprises of mostly numerical questions, logical reasoning and data interpretation. Part A and Part B both are non-subjective parts. Part B covers subject-related questions of moderate difficulty, means these are multiple choice questions type, which you can study the syllabus and directly answer. Part C consists of analytical and application based questions. So part C will be research based questions, means lab based questions. So they are often scenario driven. They can't be crammed or you can't learn them. So what you have to do, you have to make month-wise strategic planning, means for month 1 to 2 you have to build the foundation. Then you have to study basic concepts of each subject and each topic. Now step 2 will be knowing the complete syllabus of CSIR-NET. So because the syllabus is vast, because it has total of 13 core units, means 13 topics are there. Each topic you can read by different books. These books I will give the details in this video. So first, molecules and their interaction relevant to biology. You need to understand their basic concepts. Then there are other books also which you can get clarity from class 11th and 12th NCERT biology books. For other advanced topic and application based topics, you need to dive deeper into cell signaling, physiology, developmental biology and ecology. So best books and study materials I will suggest for each topic. For general aptitude, here you can see for general aptitude, which is the first part A of our exam paper, you can cover it by Christy Verghese, and quantitative aptitude you can cover by R.S. Agrawal. You can go through R.S. Agrawal also. For life sciences part B and C, for the molecular biology of the cell, here are all the topics for molecular biology. You can go through Albert's. You can go with Albert's. And also for biochemistry part, you can go with just a second. You can go with Albert's, and for biochemistry part you can go with Leninger. For genetics you can go with either Benjamin Pierce. Here you will find, I will write down separately. For biochemistry part you can go with Leninger. For genetics part, in inheritance biology, you will come to this topic, genetics. For this you can go with Benjamin Pierce. Then for plant physiology, this one, you can go with Tej and Ziegler. Plant physiology, you can go with Tej and Ziegler. For animal physiology, you can go with Gayton and Hall. For developmental biology, you can go with Gilbert's. For ecology, you can go with Auden. So these are the main books you can go through. So these are basically the reference books which are compatible if you make a 6-month strategy. So whether you are in a 6-month plan or you need a crash course of 1 to 2 months, the most important thing you need to go through is previous year questions and papers. Minimum 10 years. Out of 10 years, the main thing is quantitative aptitude that you need to follow, because these questions does not vary as much. The variations are low. Quantitative aptitude means section A, you should completely go through past 10 years papers. Also, you can go through some YouTube videos to get a revision kind of setup. Also, certain modules and practice sets are there, so practice sheets. And also most important is model question papers, where you get an idea of how much of the cutoff you are clearing. This is the most important part. You need to practice as many questions as you can.